Yeah, we are live.
And we're live. Perfect. Okay. So where did I put my thing? Feature is going to be.
Or should we create a new feature.file?
Oh, this is C event feature. Oh, I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
So here, file, new file. And then I'm just going to copy and paste everything from here. Put it there. Delete what I just wrote. Okay, bye. To whoever I just did this to. So this is going to be delete an event. And then I want this up here. File, save as. And what should delete underscore event dot feature.
Yep.
Okay. Given the following events exist, and I am okay. So I can delete this. Bye.
And everything about, yeah.
That should be.
Yeah, you're right. Go ahead.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened?
I don't know.
Okay. Bye to that.
Okay.
So I can take this out. I don't need this. Bye. Given the following, should I keep these events in the database, I guess?
Say that again?
Should I keep these events in the database?
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. Should we make a test event or no?
Before that, we have to mention what event we should see, right?
One sec. Rose posted in Slack. Is there any way to go back out of the delete? To back out of the delete? Do you know if it gives you an opportunity to go ahead or cancel your request? I'm going to say we didn't discuss that. But we could talk about it on Monday.
Yeah. Or that could be a new feature, right?
Okay. Okay, so we did this.
Yeah.
Now, why do I have event steps open? Okay.
So I was saying like this test event, right? So we have to mention what event we should see, right?
We have to mention what we should see.
Like, so what do you mean by test event? That's the event that we deleted, right?
Yeah.
So we have to mention what, like for test, we have to mention what, specifically mention what the name of the event that we are going to delete.
Oh. Well, I guess the name is just test event when I wrote it, when I made it up.
Okay. But do you want to, like, what I'm saying is you might have to copy paste or something like that.
Oh. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay.
All right. So.
Oops, I put. Can I move? There we go. Perfect. I didn't put it in the right folder. Okay, what's next?
So we have to run Cucumber. Maybe.
Run what?
Run cucumber.
How do we do that? Cucumber? Just
Yeah.
cucumber?
And maybe the file name. Something I forgot how we did that. You wanna try just cucumber? Yeah.
Your
No.
bundle is locked to rake, but the version cannot be found.
Oh, you might have to do bundle.
I have no idea what that says. No, cucumber. Okay. So canceling an event.
Okay. That's good. So at first, so let's start coding maybe.
Oh wait, is it undefined step? It should be then I shouldn't see. Where's event steps?
Oh, maybe you have to say I should not see.
Oh. Okay. Terminal. Run it again. Scaling scenarios. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Given I'm on the event page. So where do we do the coding, Tom?
The event page, what?
App, controllers, helpers, mailers. I don't know. We did that. I have to keep that out. What is this?
I think before that we have to, like, can you show your terminal?
Yeah.
Like it says, it can't find the mapping if you go down. Like, I mean, go up maybe. Yeah, it says it can't find mapping from the event page to a path.
Okay. So we'll go to
So-
step. Oops.
So now go and add a mapping in there. Paths.rb.
Website. Oh my god. Hold on. So sorry. Okay.
You have to go to paths.rb. It's under support. I mean, in features, under support.
So we have to make a mapping.
Yeah. Let me check my last project, maybe. Last
Okay.
homework, maybe. So we need something like this, right? Page 4. So in our delete event.feature file,
Delete. Yeah.
we have to mention, given I am on the event page for vegan solely. We need something like that, right?
So you're saying,
Yeah, I mean, what? Yeah, I'm sorry.
okay.
Okay. So in patch.rb, given so it should be event path, right? Event path. Event path. Okay. What should be it should be find by name? Do you remember that?
Like what? Given, should it be VV or just
Oh
V?
yeah, just the. I'm sorry.
Event path, event dot find by. Oh. Honestly, I don't remember. Where would this be? Where would I find these little guys? Navigation helpers? Helpers?
I think it should be under DB. That's what I think. Database.
Database what? Schema, seeds.
Maybe, yeah, maybe schema, maybe. Should be name, maybe? Yeah, right?
I see what you're saying. Find by name instead of find by title. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Oh, where are you? Ooh, I'm getting a message.
Okay. Do you wanna try run again? Cucumber?
Cucumber.
What?
Oh, nothing's passing. What did we do wrong? Wait. C event list failed. Oh no. What did we do?
But why is it failing? Like for other cucumber tests, right?
Yeah, what did we do?
Nothing.
Why did
Did
what we
we
do?
did we screw up everything?
I don't think we did.
We didn't do anything.
Oh. Oh well, no. Then I should. Where are we? Wait. So if I'm gonna comment what we did out to see
Yeah.
if that
Okay.
helps. Yeah. So whatever we just wrote made everything fail.
Okay.
I'm not sure. Because given, should this be when?
I don't know. Try that.
Oh, I honestly don't know. When? Wait, when? Okay, better.
But I think no, but given. But still, our thing is not working, right?
Yeah. Given, okay, I can't find mapping from the event page for vegans only to a path.
Can you try rate routes?
Yeah. Oop. What are you thinking, Tom? What are you thinking? Should we ask Rose?
I don't know.
Let's ask Rose. What?
I think it's because. Is it because do we have to use root root path instead of events path.
Is it
Try,
events path or event path?
I mean, try root. Uh, where is it?
So you're saying do root underscore path?
Yeah, try that. I mean, maybe. Root.
Oh, hello.
Try that.
Cucumber. Yeah, no, can't find the mapping. Interesting. It should be event path now.
It should be event path, but there was like I just checked the emails, and I remember professor said we have to fix from root path to event path. So I don't know if they updated that.
Do you mean event path? Update event path to root path?
No, the other way around.
Oh,
So it should be event path, but I don't know if they fixed it. But I don't know whether that's the issue though.
let's get Rose on. Why not?
Or is it something to do with our regular expression maybe? Like, are you good with that? Are you good with regular expressions?
Oh, I'm not, but it seems fine. You took it from here, right?
Yeah,
That should work.
yeah, it should work. Yeah, maybe we can ask browser maybe.
Rose, would you be able to jump on for a sec?
Yeah, she's online, so she might come help.
Okay, let's wait for Rose.
Hello.
Hi, Rose.
How are you?
Good. How's your Saturday?
Oh, I don't know. Let's not talk about it. I've been doing a lot of hangouts with the other section, and
Oh.
Okay.
like it's, you know.
Yeah, never stop.
Anyway, yeah, I was looking. This is pretty interesting because I remember seeing that code too.
Yeah.
And it's not in chapter 4. It wasn't in the original code in the walkthrough, but it was in the skeleton for the code you downloaded for the Rails intro homework.
Mm-hmm.
And I discovered that there's a bug in.
Oh,
Yeah, how about that?
great.
Yay. So, it turns out, see, if you look at the documentation for that, like the dialogue that should come up, etc., there's another like hash called data,
Yeah.
and it's the data hash that would include this confirm,
Mm-hmm.
and they just listed it like it was part of the like the normal options instead of in the data hash, and therefore it doesn't work.
Oh,
Now, to
cool.
make it work, it's really easy because all you do is ahead of the, let me get this code. Where did it go? Okay, so it says button to delete, movie path at movie, and symbol method, rocket delete, symbol delete, comma, and then instead of saying symbol confirm, rocket, are you sure? It should say data, colon, and then braces, everything in braces, confirm, rocket, are you sure?
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. And it doesn't work that. I mean, you can try it. At least I don't know, unless I'm really missing something. When I ran this, it deleted it, but it never brought up the confirm dialog.
Oh.
Oh,
Well, that's
okay.
pointless.
Yeah, yeah. But I'm after all this garbage that I've been wading through all night and half the morning, I'm just happy that I actually found something that's like, oh boy, how many years has this been in here? No one found it.
Yeah.
So, I found a bad thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So anyway, I guess I'll make it your choice whether you want to add that or not. At this point, I would wait because it would be a little more difficult, slightly more difficult to test the confirm dialogue.
Yeah.
But we can keep that in mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right now we're working on our cucumber test.
Yeah. I was curious about that. So
Okay.
apparently, like all your code is there, but your tests aren't passing.
All our code is where?
I don't know. It looked like all your code was written.
We didn't write anything.
Oh, you didn't?
No, we just wrote these tests and now we're starting. Where did you
Yeah.
see our, or
Oh,
where did you?
no. This is the previous one, I think. Not delete. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a note that Thomas sent me. Which Thomas is here?
Thomas
Thomas
Matthew.
Matthew.
Oh, I'm talking to the wrong Thomas. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. See, I'm on a bad streak this morning, apparently.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my.
So we have some issues with the routes.
Yeah. Given I am on the event page for vegans only, can't find mapping. Oh, that's just a paths thing.
Yeah.
It should tell you to go and put a routing in there in paths.
Yeah, we
So
tried.
We tried
yeah.
that.
Okay, path 2, win the bumps homepage, then events, yeah. Win the event page for, well, it wouldn't go to root, that's for sure, right?
Well, yeah,
I mean,
it used to be.
isn't that the show? Isn't that, like, wait a minute, which I'm confused about what we're doing. What page are we supposed to be on? Like an edit page or a show page?
The event page, the show page.
It's a show page. Oh, okay.
So we first had events.path, but then like everything we had, like we ran the cucumber test again, and then everything failed, like even the previous
Oh,
like
okay. Well,
cucumber
let me
test
show
that
you.
didn't run it.
Yeah, let me show you what's going on. Do you have
Oh, do you want me to share my workspace with you, Rose?
Oh, you don't even have to. You want to show me a
Okay.
terminal? Show me a terminal. I'm so uncoordinated. I literally would slow you down. I am a way better navigator than I am ever a pilot, or at least anymore.
Okay.
So yeah, sorry. You wouldn't want to deal with my issues. So yeah, let's look at rake routes. Yeah, and I don't know if you noticed, but I put an issue in there because the other one wasn't put in there right. Okay, so root is get, and then the URI pattern is just the /. And you know, we don't really use root for anything. It's just when you bring up the home page for the first time, it gets you there. Okay, I mean, that's pretty much the only time you use root.
Okay.
And when you want to say that the intent is to go to the home page, the index page, the events page, you use events path. You see the prefix there under the get events index, get events, like the second line. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So that's the path you would use to go to the events page. Now you want to go to the let's see, the show page, right?
Yeah.
Which is event path.
Oh. Oh, I see what you're
See?
saying.
Do you
Yeah.
see? Yeah, you use that prefix and you just put path on the end. So it's just event path. And then, yeah, the argument would be event. You need a particular event. Find by name. Okay.
And we did this because we got it from right here, like find by movie title.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It's just the argument because when you go to the home page, you don't need any arguments because you're looking at all of them. When you
Right.
go to a show or an index, you need a specific one.
Right.
Yeah, so that really should work. See, do you see? Can we go back there just for a second?
Yeah. Sorry.
Now I want to point out, and I don't know, you can change this or someone else can, but do you see where it says when the bum's homepage, then /events?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the things that I said is that you really should use the helper methods everywhere because the indirection will help with maintainability down the road. So, I mean, we could have built the URL from scratch here when the event page. We could have said /events and then, you know, / that ID, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, as things change over time, then anytime this path would change, you would literally have to go to all the places where there's raw URIs and change them rather than use the indirection that's already there. And then if anything, you know, is modified, you change it in the routes file. You still use the same path name, and it changes it everywhere. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this should not be /events. It should be event path. And I'm thinking also, you know, this you can discuss among yourselves, but you might want to discuss some coding conventions. Like, for instance, if in a case statement, and case statements aren't the best, but, you know, here we have it. In a case statement, should you try to do it all on one line, or should you show the target on the line below? Like, in other words, you have two different styles here. You've got the then and the result on the one line, and then you've got for yours, you've got it on two lines. Are you following me? It's trivial, but I'm just saying, you know, you should decide on a style and stick with it.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, that's all. I mean, obviously, it's going to do the same thing.
Yeah.
If you're going to put it on one line in a case statement, you have to add that word then. Otherwise, you don't need it if you go to the next line.
Oh, so you're saying do that instead.
And then say events underscore path instead of
Okay.
events, and then you don't need it's not that's a method name, yeah, so you don't need the quotes. Yeah, exactly.
Is it events path or event path?
No, this would be the home page would be all the events, right?
Oh, right. Okay.
And there's no particular, you don't need an argument because it's all of them.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So let's.
Yeah, so you can get credit for changing that. Make a note that you dealt with issue number 9. Oh, you might as well, yeah, issue number 9. Put it
Right here, just issue 9.
Yeah. Issue 9. Yep.
Perfect. All right, so try cucumber again.
Yay. Yeah, and let's cross our fingers.
No, it's not working.
Sorry?
It's not working. There is still an issue
Okay,
with mapping.
so let me see what it says. I'm going to look a little more carefully. Given I am on the event page. Okay, the event page. And it's still, did you save the file?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it looks like it's saved. It looks like it's saved. God, it really looks like it. Can't find mapping from the event page to a path. Now go and add a mapping in paths.rb. Feature support paths rescue. Why isn't it recognizing? We don't have like something commented out that we shouldn't, or some goofy thing.
Web says that I am on blank.
Yeah, hold on. Let me. I have been so busy. I haven't even finished my coffee this morning. Can you believe that? It's sitting here like a half cup cold, and I probably needed it hours ago. Oh my goodness. And to top it off, the puppy made a big mess, and I have him in his crate until I can clean it up. Oh, so sad. Let's see. Paths. Yeah. So this is the event. Yeah, can I see? And given I'm on the event page for vegans only, and let me see your paths again.
Paths.
Yeah, okay, the event page 4. It should match. Okay. I usually do the end of that a little differently. I have a quote, then a left paren, and then a bracket that says not quote, and then instead of the period, bracket, not quote, and then yeah, I don't think
You're saying.
so square brackets, yeah, and then like the caret, up caret for not,
Mm-hmm.
and then double quote, yeah, and then end the bracket. Okay, so this is saying capture everything that is. Oh, I see what's wrong. Yeah, let's go back to your feature file.
Feature.
Yeah.
Delete event dot feature.
Okay, so you have an event called Vegans Only.
Okay. Yeah.
That is the exact. Okay. Well then, I don't. Yeah, it's in double quotes. It should have captured it. And vegans only, and there's not a space or something silly after the. I mean, it should have just picked up. Yeah, it should. Yeah. Okay. There it is. The following events exist. I am on the event page. The event page. I guess I can look at paths again. And this feature page is, you saved it? Where's the, no, go back to feature.
There it is.
Delete event. It's not saved. Oh, now it is. Okay. And let's look at path again. In the event page. Wow. Path. I don't know. I mean, you could put parentheses around the whole argument. I don't know. I don't think it'd make any difference.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah, probably not. And where's your event page? So this would be your show, right? Your show page.
Yeah.
Can I see it?
The show page?
Yeah.
I don't know where that is.
No, it's here. It's here.
This is
I
it?
see it. Yeah. Event.
Who knew?
Yeah. Event date. Okay. Oh, that looks just fine. Show. Yeah, that's the show.html.haml. And let me look at your rake routes again. Is this a sanity check? By the way, it's always a good idea to keep rake routes up somewhere. Like, just stick it away in some other pane so you can always check.
Okay.
So we have event, get, and then it is /events ID. Events show. Yeah, that's what we should have. At this point, I don't know what to do except try running it again and
That's what I'm thinking.
look more carefully at the damn error message. Cucumber. Okay.
Nope, same thing.
Yeah, there really shouldn't be any problem with that. And I have on the event page for God, there's some stupid little thing here. So we're going to 44. Can I see 44 in web steps?
Yeah, line 44.
Line 44. Line 44. Given I am on capture. Do page name. Oh, no, you've captured the whole thing, right? You've captured the event page for blah, blah, blah. Yeah, no, I think you captured the right part. The event page. Wow, now, I mean, all I can think of at this point is start throwing in some instrumentation and see what happens. Because there's something that's not quite right here.
Yeah.
You could do a P page name right there in web steps.
Yeah.
And have it print out. See where it says do page name? Right above visit path, temporarily insert a line between 44 and 45. Yeah.
And you want me to
just say P page name.
Yeah.
Like this? Ah.
Well, yeah, not without the yeah. Just you don't have to do a parentheses or anything. Just P space page name.
Interesting.
Underscore page name. Yeah. P page name, and then let's look at the paths. I want to see where the hell it's going. Paths.rb. Yeah. Let's see. When was there a space before the in?
The cucumber.
I'm just.
Never. When I am on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It should.
space.
It should. I don't know. I would have just captured it from the T, but you know, it should still work.
Mm-hmm.
Unless, let's see. Yeah, I think let's run it and let's see what web steps is capturing.
Right.
Sometimes it's as simple as that. What it's capturing and what you're looking for are two different things. Okay, so
What happened here?
yeah, do we see it somewhere? 44. We should see it. We should see that output somewhere. And I'm having trouble because it's red.
Yeah.
I am on the events page for vegans only. Time error. Wow. I mean, that's it's weird that we're not even getting any output here. And you don't see any, like, it's not, sometimes it's asynchronous, and if you scroll up and down, you can see that it got spit out some crazy place. The BUMS homepage. Oh, this
Like
is
if you
interesting.
no, if you go up, can you go up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
BUMS homepage. The BUMS
Yeah,
event page.
Yeah, right above
Oh.
scenario. Yeah.
Yeah. And why does it have //? Okay. The event. Oh, notice also it's capturing not from the space. It's capturing the event page. There's no space there.
So you're saying take this out?
Yeah, take that out. Do you see how the BUMS homepage doesn't have
Yeah.
space there?
Right.
Yeah. I mean, this is like really trivial and stupid, but you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
Ugh. And this is the kind of crap that bites you in the butt and you like spend a weekend trying to figure out. Let's see if we get anywhere. Are you running again?
Oh, that works. That works.
Yeah, that
Oh, it
was
works?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm telling you that's like half the time. That's just what it is. It's something so
Wow.
fucking stupid. I didn't hear you say that. Oh God, are we recording? Oh my goodness, what did I say? Oh. It's been quite a week.
Legit.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's failing somewhere else. Where is it failing?
When I press
When I
cancel.
press cancel event.
Yeah, we didn't.
Oh, okay, so you don't have that yet.
Yeah, we didn't have that yet. Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. So I think what you have to like uncomment it in your show page.
Yeah, we have to change.
Yeah.
We have to change the name maybe. Delete button to. Yeah.
To cancel.
Yeah, cancel events.
To
And then this
cancel.
should be.
Okay. Yeah, and either put after the delete before the comma, just put a how can you make that a comment at the rest of the line? Oh well, it is considered as Ruby, so a pound sign should work. In other words, save that confirm for later because it's not going to work.
Okay.
Yeah.
What should I say?
No, it's all right. Just leave it and say for later or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Future. Yeah.
Hey, for
future.
Later.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Did it work? I don't think I commented.
You don't? Oh my goodness.
Commented? Oh wait, no.
Well,
Yeah,
maybe
shouldn't the comment be in orange? It's supposed to be grayed out like this if it's a comment, but it's not.
Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. Wait a minute. You haven't uncommented the entire line.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah. Look at the beginning of the line.
Right. Should be just
you have a
equal
dash pound sign. Yeah. So now you have to do the equal space at the beginning of the line. Make it a Ruby. Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should I just move this to a different line, you think?
Oh, well, that's great. Yeah,
We'll just
that makes
scoot
it really
this
clear.
one
Yeah,
over.
hmm yeah, that's nice.
Add one more. Two more. Who cares? Okay.
Do you want to put in the proper way of doing that so that at least when you like enhance it and add the tests, you'll have the code right?
Oh,
So after the comma,
yeah,
say space data colon,
yeah.
and then no, well, yeah, but it's data colon. You have
Like,
it's also colon confirm. You know what I'm saying? You need yeah. So after data colon, surround everything with curly braces. So it's a key value pair. You see?
yeah, so
Yeah, at
from
the end
here
of
to
it.
here.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
See? And that will work. But we don't have a test for it yet, so
Okay,
we'll see.
cancel. Let's do rig rounds. Delete, yada, yada. So this should be,
Oh, wait a minute.
what?
Yeah, there's something a little goofy here. Let me see your feature again. Your delete event feature. Okay,
We'll
so
just cancel
wait a
that.
minute. When I press, oh, cancel event is just the text.
Yeah,
Yeah, cancel event. Cancel event. Yeah, and then movie path at movie method delete. Yeah, that should be it.
it should be
But it
movie
has to
path.
be. Well, that's what you have, right? It's a
Hey,
particular movie, right?
No, it's
well,
it's an event, right?
Okay,
yeah, we're working with
look at
events.
rake routes again. Look at rake route. Anytime you have a question
Yeah,
about this, go
it should
right
be
back.
events, like not movies. We're not working with movies.
Oh, did I just? Oh my God, are you serious? I'm not even looking at what the word is. Yeah,
You're like, it's
obviously it should
movies.
be event path.
I was like, what movies are we working with?
Yeah. Yeah. So you can see there's a whole pile of these things under event prefix. With
Yeah.
event, there's a get, there's a patch, there's a put, and there's a delete, and all of them use the same path, event path, and the difference would be the controller action. In this case, it's destroy.
Okay, so this would
Yeah.
be event underscore path.
Yeah, and then method, shouldn't it be destroy? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, hold on. Well, let me see your controller.
Control is destroy, I think.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I was gonna say.
So this should be destroy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
But
then
make sure your controller has the right thing.
where's my controller? Oh, controllers. Applicate events controller.
Destroy.
Destroy.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what do we put in here? Just event.
Yeah. Maybe.
What is
Oh
it?
yeah.
Yeah,
Add
add
event.
event. Okay.
Okay.
Cucumber.
What is it saying? Because I can't read it.
Well, we're no longer passing, given I am on the event page for vegans
Classes and
only.
IDs must have values.
It's
Template error.
20. Line number 20.
Yeah. In show. Oh, okay. Okay.
20. Oh,
Oh, yeah. You have to have like a dash. No, a dash
Count. Yeah.
pound
Okay.
sign. Yeah. Sorry. To make it a comment in HTML.
okay.
Yeah. Duh. I forgot that.
Let's do it again.
Okay. Yeah.
When I press cancel event, no route matches.
Yeah. I'm thinking. Hold on. Why is that true? I'm thinking that it really should be delete, but just for the moment, I can't for the life of me. I think delete takes 2 actions. Let me see this. Oh, Yeah, it looks like it should be destroy because that's what it says in rake routes, but I believe
Yeah.
that the method is actually delete.
Yeah, that's what I think so. Like for the rotten potatoes that we did.
Yeah. No, I'm trying to think, why is that? And it is escaping me at the moment. I'm just pretty sure that that's true. Okay, so you destroy, delete. You have destroy as the method in the controller.
Mm-hmm.
You actually, yeah. So why is it called delete? Oh, okay. Um, delete action. Okay, so it's using the HTTP verb here. Oh, I see why. Because we're using the path, right? And the path goes with get or with patch or blah blah blah. And the verb we're giving is the HTTP verb actually. We're not
Okay.
giving the controller action. We're giving the HTTP verb. I
Oh.
think I wonder if we said it's interesting. Because here we're saying the method is delete. And I wonder if instead if we had like controller action. See, it's methods are URI or HTTP verbs. I'm sorry, whereas actions are controller, methods, right?
Hmm.
So yeah, since we're saying colon method, we have to say delete. I guess this makes sense. Oh,
So this should be delete.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
My bad.
Scroll up. Missing template events. Destroy.
Hmm? Oh, do you have a web page? Do you have a? Oh, because I know actually. When I press cancel event, action view, missing template. Okay, so this now we have to go to the controller.
Okay.
Yeah, controller. So now you have to put your code in here. See, it's going there and it's automatically rendering, trying to render a destroy template, but there isn't one because remember this ends with a redirect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that should be at event equals event dot delete.
Are you?
Not even.
Well, you're not trying
It should be.
to. Yeah, you're just trying to delete something. You're not really trying to.
Yeah.
So I mean, you have to find the movie first, the exact
Yeah.
movie, or not movie. I'm saying keep on saying movie like an idiot. Event. You have to find the
Okay.
event, and then you're
I
going to
mean,
get
you go ahead. Yeah.
not a collection, not a collection of events, but just one, right? The one you want to delete.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're going to do a find on what?
On is it param ID?
Yeah, exactly. So you have to look at, remember what gets sent to the controller is the params hash. So you have to pull that out of it. Yeah. So that would be the ID of the particular event. And then are you getting a collection of events?
Not just one event.
Yeah. Okay. And then you can go ahead and get rid of it. Yeah. All right. And then you have to,
Redirect maybe.
yes, because you're not going to want to try to go to a delete template. That makes no sense. Yeah. Space between them. All right. Redirect to is one method, and then the path is the argument to it. Yeah. So redirect to, no, that has underscore.
Oh,
Redirect to, that's the name of the method.
Oh
And
yeah.
then event path is the argument.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you've got it now. Let's see if this works.
So cucumber.
Yeah, it works.
Okay.
And that.
Now we did sort of get ahead, jump the gun a little bit, because since we are modifying the controller, we should write some RSpec.
Oh
And
yeah.
I should have had you do that first. This is like, yes, I need way more coffee this morning. Way more.
RSpec test. RSpec.rb. Oh no. Where do we write our
So-
RSpec test again?
I'm sorry. Go to the spec directory. Not the features
Oh,
directory. That's for Cucumber. Yeah. You go to the spec directory.
Oh, there we go.
Right, and your test would be a controller test.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So yours would be event. So it would be describe, destroy, etc., etc.
Just anywhere we can write that.
Yeah, I don't know. I usually try to put it in the same order as my controller, just so I can find it easier. But there's no set convention. You get to dictate the convention. What I do is when I do rake routes, I put my controller methods in the same order as my rake routes, and then I put my tests in the same order. But a lot of people just like they do it in alphabetical order. There's all kinds of schemes that people have.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, putting it somewhere near the bottom makes sense.
Yeah.
You might want to scroll up just a bit and make sure you're at the right level. I think you're at the end of the context, but not at the end of describe.
Oh yeah.
You see what I'm saying? You have describe,
Yeah.
show. Yeah.
Oh,
It should be like after between 54 and 55. Yeah, you can get rid of that extra space. I believe. It's hard to see where I am, but yeah, just backspace. Do you see what I'm saying?
yeah.
Yeah.
So you're saying
Oh,
put it.
I think that's where it should go.
Yeah, because this is describe.
Yep.
And yeah. And we want describe. What do we call it again? I've already forgotten. Yeah. Destroy. I'm gonna do. Ooh, what happened? We already put an end. So what are these? Describe index to fixtures events. So I'm assuming I'm doing this first. Event. My fixture's wrong.
Can we just copy paste that?
Probably.
So
I think you really only need one, right?
Oh.
yeah. And
Can I give you something quickly to kind of form a little skeleton here, so you have an idea of what things you should be doing?
yeah.
Sure.
Don't think you need a context. Really, only one you know, there's not various ways to get here or what have you. You must be on a page that is displaying the event to be able to delete it. It's not like you could be trying to delete something that doesn't exist. So it seems like there would only be one context.
Okay.
And let's see. So you have describe, destroy. When you start, like, start making some it and it do end blocks where they belong, wherever you're going to put them.
It, do, and oh.
Yeah, just, you know,
Decide.
it do end,
Okay.
right? And then we'll put some verbiage in there.
Oh, what? Why is it? Don't do that to me. There we go.
Yeah, yeah. So make several of those, and then we'll put some text in there.
Okay.
All right. Now, for the first one, in quotes, in between the it and the do,
Mm-hmm.
okay, you can say that it let's see, it finds the movie.
Find the
Okay, you
event.
could say it calls the find method to retrieve the movie. How about that? That's pretty explicit. Calls the find method to retrieve the movie. Do. Or yeah, the movie. Why do I keep on saying the movie? I'm just, yeah. And what's your spelling for retrieve? It's I before E.
Oh.
Yeah, unlike
Oh.
after C, right? Yeah. Okay. So retrieve the event do, and then the next it do should be something like it calls the destroy method to delete the event. Nope, typing
I do another.
method. Okay. And then what else should it do? It should set the flash message, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you could
Should
just,
send the flash
yeah,
message.
you can just say it sets the flash method. Yeah, yeah. You shouldn't use the word should. That's my bad. Just get rid of the should. It sets the flash method, or it sets the flash message. Message. I can't even talk straight today. Oh yeah, yeah. And oh, I guess you need one more. I was thinking we could do it in 3, but I guess there's one more. The last one would be that it redirects to the events page or the index page or whatever you're calling your page there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. And that should take care of all the testing for that method.
Okay.
Okay. So we can do the find one.
Okay, now let me see your before event equals events. See, something I find disturbing about this is that this before each isn't being done correctly.
Cool.
Okay, so you have, wait a minute, you have fixtures, events. Fixtures, events. So then how are you incorporating the fixtures? I guess I'm not getting how you're doing this. And that could be me because I've never bothered with fixtures, so it's been new to me. So once you define a set of fixtures, then automatically loaded. Okay. Equals. Okay. So you have a fixtures file somewhere that defines what? Can I see it?
Uh,
Because you should just be able to use the stuff from it. What you're doing here is actually creating an actual event, and I don't get event ID might not. No, just go to spec. See the fixtures directory? Yeah.
You want spec helper, right?
No. I want open up fixtures. Open it up. No, open
This
up
one?
Oh,
fixtures.
yeah.
Yeah. Click, double click.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
okay.
Yeah, sometimes it's
Event.
confusing where these things are. Okay, so we've got ID, name, so vegan potluck, meat festival, and Taco Tuesday. Okay, so you should be able to use any one of these directly and not have to create new ones. If I understand this correctly. So for instance, you would say event equals events, the name of your fixture file, and then in parentheses, the symbolized version of one of your events. Oh, can you guys hold just a minute? I've got a
Yes, sure.
call from my husband. I'll be right back. Hi there. Have you looked at fixtures at all?
No.
You're saying change this to.
Okay. Well, do you guys have the book handy?
Yes.
Do you have 8.5 handy? There's a figure 811.
Let me pull it up. 100 ain't 11.
Right. And it shows how you set up the, in this case, several movies. You set up several events in the YAML file, in the .yaml file, which should be in spec fixtures events.yaml, and I believe that's where we found it. And then in your code, you have described blah blah blah, and then you have fixtures colon events, because that's the name of yours, right? Fixtures events. Okay, you've got that. You've got that. So I mean, pretty much all this stuff is set up already. When you look for the event, it'll be using your fixture event and that fixture event ID. Okay, so I see you have, oh, I see what's going on here. So before each do, you're saying add event equals events,
Right.
vegan potluck. Yeah, it just seems like you're kind of going about this a hard way. All right, so add event is actually not a real event. Add event is in fact a fixture event.
Right.
Add ID, add name, date. Okay, it seems like you're kind of going about this the hard way, but I think this actually will work. So yeah, I think you can blame this on my lack of knowledge of working with fixtures. So
We're not gonna
expect
blame you.
event to receive find with ID. Oh, do you really have to turn it to an S? I guess you do. I'm not sure, but and return event. Yeah, okay. So get show ID is add ID. Yeah, okay. So let's try that. You're probably right.
James, do you want to run RSpec?
Yeah.
Let's do back.
Yep.
Wait, did I save it? Let's check. Save.
Oh, you're getting the ... Do me a favor and in your workspace, that all the way to the left,
Mm-hmm.
you see that little gear that's at the top right? Yeah, can I see it? Say show hidden files all the way at the bottom. Check it. Yeah. And now go down below, all the way below. And where is it? The hell? You don't have a .rspec file.
Cool, great.
Yeah, well, that's just odd. And I don't know, that would indicate that somehow you did something manually instead of letting the generators do it. But I guess you could create one at the level of the gem file. Right, and can we just do another sanity check? Look at that gear one more time. Look at the gear. Yeah, it says show hidden files and it's not showing, so it must not be there. All right, so yeah, go up to your root, and at BUMS, click on that. Click on BUMS.
Yeah.
Add file.
File, new file.
Yeah, new file, whatever. Yeah, new file. It's up at the Okay, and you're going to call it .rspec. I hope I have this right. Oh my God.
Bang.
Okay, and then you're going to edit it.
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to put in there -C. No, just dash, not hash.
Dash.
Oh, yeah, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. dash C, and then next line dash FD. Okay, so dash C means you want it in color, and dash FD means you want it formatted documentation, or like a formatted output. Now save it and rerun your spec.
Yeah, it passed.
Okay, yeah, and do you see how you now can tell exactly which tests ran and which passed?
Yeah.
So calls the find method to retrieve the event. Now the other ones, they're passing because you don't have anything in them yet, but
Yeah.
hopefully they should pass
Yeah.
too. Yeah. So can you yeah. So go to, all right, and now you're going to fill in these other ones.
Okay.
Sends event to the so sets the flash method. You said the flash method was 4.1.4.
Well,
Right?
the next. Why don't you do the calls to destroy method? Might as well get rid of it, right? That's your next example.
Oh, that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Do this. So would we?
Oh,
Sense
now wait a minute.
event.
Why do you have a get show there?
I don't know who previously wrote.
No.
this.
What I'm saying is down below, as far as what you have to do.
Yeah.
Like what you're doing, what that last line is supposed to say, what controller method has to be invoked, and with what arguments to trigger this. All right.
Okay.
So you have a get show as calls the find method to retrieve the event, right? Yeah, but you're not doing show, are you? You're doing what?
We're just finding the event.
No. I'm saying that we're testing which method in the controller.
We're testing.
So look at the controller.
Events controller, yeah.
Okay. That's the events controller spec, isn't it?
Oh, you want the regular controller?
The events controller, yeah.
Bang bang bang. Features config db.
App. No. App. You probably have it up there. Controllers, events controller. Yeah. Yeah. Right. And so this is where we're putting this code: event equals find parameters ID. In fact, do me a favor and put a hash in front of all those lines. Define destroy. Destroy. Yeah. So comment out those 3 lines. Yeah. Okay. Now, so which method is it that we're trying to test?
This just says the find method, but we don't
Destroy.
have a.
Yeah.
No, we're trying to
Oh, you're saying for describe.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying.
Okay. So this
I thought you
shouldn't
meant
be
for this one little it do.
No. I mean, for the one little it,
Yeah,
we're testing that it's sending find, right? Okay. So to trigger this test, you actually have to invoke the destroy method. So you're triggering the show method.
Okay.
You see where it says get show?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be destroy. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, that should be destroy. ID is fine. ID is, what it should be. So let's run it now. And let's do it the really proper way. It should fail. So run your RSpec.
Oh,
Okay. And that's good. Okay, now uncomment that first line in your events controller.
and then run
Yeah.
RSpec again.
Yeah, save, and you saved it, right?
Yeah. Mm,
What it failed on the same thing? Let me see the message. It's hard to see. Failure error, get destroy ID, action view missing template. Oh, okay. Okay, that's all right. That's fine. So I'll tell you what. Let's go back to events controller.
Events controller.
Yeah, and we're going to do things just a little bit backwards. Go ahead and recomment that out. Okay, now uncomment redirect to events path.
You said uncomment this.
Yeah. Now go back to save it, and then go back to your your RSpec test, your events. Yeah, go back to that. Not that.
This.
Not that. Okay, it redirects to the index page. So let's put the test for this first. So again, you're going to have to do a get destroy ID, rocket ID. So you can just paste, copy and paste that. So you're going to have it do that. And now a redirect you have to check after the fact. All right, there's a couple of things that you have to actually make the method run first and then you check it.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, you're going to make it run and then you're going to use an expectation. Do you remember what the one is for redirects?
No.
Not really.
Okay, so if you look at the figure 817, and do you see at the very bottom where it says expect response?
Response dot should redirect.
Yeah, should redirect to, right?
Okay,
Redirect to is the method. Only in the parentheses there, you only need to put the path. You don't need to do all this controller movies action new.
Okay.
Notice here that instead of saying method, it says action. So it's giving the the controller action rather than the HTTP verb. Remember we had an issue with that before?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can see that both are used, but one means one thing and one means the other. It's easy to think that method means your controller method, but no, it means the HTTP method. So expect, watch your spelling for response. Expect response. Yeah. It says to redirect. Expect response to dot to.
Dot two.
Yeah. Space. Yeah. And then remember what's the verb? Oh, you have should. Get rid of the should. You have redirect to. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Just get rid of the should. Okay. Redirect to. And you can simply say here the what's the path to your index page.
Events path?
Yes. Yeah, and remember, if you're ever unsure, go look at rake routes. Okay. So let's save that and run it. We know this was failing before because that's the error message we got.
Right. James, can you run it?
Yeah. RSpec. RSpec.
Yeah.
You saved it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. My favorite error is having something in the wrong directory and working on it and saving it and then wondering why nothing is changing.
Okay.
Okay,
Redirect
so
to index.
okay, so now that's passing. Now we should make the first one pass.
Okay.
So go ahead back to controller, the real controller, not the spec. Yeah. Oh no, that's the spec. Go to the
Yeah.
events controller. Yeah, there it is. Click on it. The events controller.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. And now you're going to uncomment that first line.
Uncomment.
Yay. Okay. Fix your indentation.
Yeah.
Just a space. Just another space.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Save it.
Here's RSpec.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Let me see it. Finds the event. Okay. Good. Now let's go back to your spec, your controller spec. Yeah.
This.
Events. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So now you're going to put the test for the destroy method where you expect that method to be received. And yeah, I guess all you have to do is say that that should be received. Should it? Yeah. Oh. Let me see. No, that's it, really. Okay. So once you find the ID, you know what the movie is, right? Or I keep on saying movie, what the event is. Duh. And since you know the event, what is the code that you wish you had here? You actually have that code written already because we sort of cheated a little bit, but what is the code that we wish we had? We can look at it.
We wish we had.
We wish we had this code that we commented out saying that the @event object would receive what message?
What message? I'm not
Or
following.
method? Message, method, it's the same thing. It's just a synonym for method.
Event.destroy.
Okay, so
In
it's,
this.
yeah, so if the event object receives what, a request to run what method? This is just like semantics. All right, so you've got an object there at event. Okay, and then you've got .destroy. What is .destroy?
That deletes the event?
Well, yeah, but what I'm saying is, how do we talk about it? It's a method, right?
Yeah.
It's the method that we're trying to get @event to invoke, right? Another way to say that is simply to say that we expect the @event object to receive the destroy message. Does that make sense?
Could you word it differently?
No, well, I'm just saying, I'm trying to get you used to the different ways you're going to hear about this, okay? So when we talk about object-oriented programming, we either refer to invoking methods or calling a method, or we might say we send this message to the object. Same thing. Same thing as saying calling or invoking. It's we send this message to the object. And in this case, because we're testing code that supposedly we haven't written yet, we're expecting that this particular object will receive this particular message. I mean, that's the language of the testing DSL. Do you see what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
you're going to expect.
So am I writing expect?
Yeah. Okay. And what object are we doing this expect on?
Event.
Not the class. Well, at least at this
Oh.
point, we've gotten the class, and what do we want to move on to? Yeah. So we expect that.
To
then,
receive.
Yes. And what's the message?
Destroy, right?
Yes. Okay.
Oh,
Perfect.
And
Okay,
there are
cool,
no
cool.
arguments. There are no arguments. We're not expecting it to return anything, right? We're just making that expectation. So, but now remember, we have to trigger this test to run, which means we have to actually invoke the destroy method for real. So that's what you put on the next line.
Oh, and then this
Yeah.
is where we write event.destroy or at event.destroy.
No. You already have it for the other two. Okay, what's the last line in the above one?
Get destroy this.
Yeah, that triggers it.
Oh,
Yeah, just go ahead and
copy paste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. It should fail. Okay, good. Now go to the controller.
This one or the other one?
The real controller. Yeah. Now remember we uncommented this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we need to, get rid of the comment and run it again. So basically the way we'd normally do this is we would write the test first, it would fail, and then we would write the code. Now in this case we kind of cheated, but we're backfilling a little bit. So now is the point where we would write event.destroy and run it.
Oh, okay.
Did you save it?
So I hope so. No, I didn't save it. Hold on. Save.
I thought you did.
Save this one.
Events controller. Oh, yeah. Is it failing? Let me look at the message.
Oh, sorry.
What does it say? Expect? No. Let me see the message. It's hard because it's in red. Failure, error, expect event to receive, destroy, expected 1 time with any arguments and receive 0 times with any arguments. And we did save events controller. Okay. I can think of one thing that it might require.
Or should we call the destroy method and then expect it to receive it?
No, actually, what we're doing here is we're setting up the test, and it should do these things in order.
Okay.
And then we call it. And you did save the controller before we ran the test?
Control.
Events controller? I'm just trying to make sure that we did it in the right order.
Okay.
Yeah, so okay, get destroy. Oh, wait a minute, that's still the tester, not the controller. Let's see. Expect response, get destroy. Add event. See, destroy. Let me see the events controller again. Yeah, okay. Add event, destroy. Yep, go back.
To this one?
Yeah, to the spec. And can you scroll up just a tiny bit?
Mm-hmm.
Spec event. Event. Yeah, okay. And ID is event ID. Okay. The only thing I can think of, and I've seen this happen before, is sometimes it needs you to trigger the step before. So you see line 67.
Yeah.
Can you copy that? Yeah, go ahead and copy it. And then, yeah, put it in front of there. And change expect to allow. That makes it a stub. Yeah. And save it. And let's try running it again.
Nice.
Yeah, okay. I figured that's what it was. And then I think we have one more thing that we have to do.
Yeah, the
Yes,
flash.
at the
And we're actually
flash
doing this
map.
the right way. We're actually doing this the right way.
Yeah.
So you might actually want to just copy those, if it's going to behave this way, copy the 72 and 73 on 78. Yeah, just go ahead and copy. Actually, you could copy all 3 lines. I should have you just copy all 3 lines. Sorry. Yeah, it's the first test that's the hardest to write, because then a lot of it is just copy and paste. And then on 79, we're not testing that, so we're just going to allow it to happen. Yeah. And then we're going to get destroy ID equals ID. And this is flash is another one of those things. No, actually, you don't need 80, because the flash you can only check after the method has finished running. So that's another one that you have to do after the fact, just like you did the redirect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So here our expectation is going to be for the flash.
Yeah.
And let's see. Yeah. So let me see. Notice. Yeah. And you're going to say it should match whatever message that you're going to have in the code you wish you had.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Delete it.
expect flash notice to equal something deleted. Yeah. Yeah. That looks good. All right. And now you want to take that code that's inside the expect, like take the code you wish you had, and okay, we'll make it fail first.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we haven't run this test.
James, can you run it?
Mm-hmm. Respect.
Please fail. Okay, good. It failed. So now go to the event controller. Okay.
Or the other one.
The spec. I'm sorry. The event controller spec.
This.
Yeah. Or no, the event controller itself. What am I saying? I'm getting so confused. Yeah. The actual event controller. The actual event controller.
Oh.
Yeah, because we have to add that code in. So after we destroy it, we want to make sure that we set the flash, right?
Yeah.
So we put the okay.
What's our message should be?
Yeah. So then you're going to have a message, right?
Event name.
So you're going to say, what is event? Yeah, event name, exactly. Event name. And then what are you doing with it?
Oh, is that it? Or
Yeah, that should be it. Is it consistent with what you put in the test? Remember, you can't even have a space inconsistent, right?
yeah.
Oh, you have title in there somewhere. Oh, wait, you were looking at something else, I think. Events controller spec. Events controller spec. Yeah, you have title deleted. It's at
Yeah, yeah. It should be
it's
name.
event name.
Yeah,
It's
that should be name.
yeah. Yeah, actually at name is fine because you have it defined above.
Right.
Yeah.
So now, do we
Oh,
run
but
the
you
R
also
spec?
you have quotes around that name, right? Do you need them?
Oh, we do. So we
Okay,
should.
so then if you're gonna use quotes, then put it in your event controller also. Otherwise, it's not gonna match, and you'll get some really goofy message saying, like it doesn't exist or something when it's just simply, a little character difference.
Okay, put them in.
hmm Everything's
So now we
saved.
run R spec.
Yeah.
Always forgetting that. Oop, wrong. Didn't write the right run. Oops.
Oh, cucumber. Ugh.
It's fine.
Okay.
There we
RSpec.
go. Oh. Maybe it's not called
That's
event.name.
the flash message. It failed. Expected vegan potluck deleted. Got. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so I think we have just a little syntax error. Let's look at what you have there. Okay, so that # at name, that's right. Let me look at your controller. Your actual controller, not the spec. Yeah, do you see that the # and the quote, the single quote are just reversed? These errors are so hard to find. You see? Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't it just like I said? It's like, some silly little thing.
Okay. Nice, it passes.
Yay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's all your RSpec tests. That's it.
Nice.
Perfect.
Okay. So and you did them in an isolated way. So, they're all valid unit tests. That's really fantastic.
Mhm.
So I guess we're back to cucumber.
Cucumber.
Hmm.
Okay. Then I should be on the homepage. Can't find mapping. That's not where I need to be.
And we're still having this issue on 44? Or what? Where is it saying? What line is it failing on? Then I should be on the home page.
Should it be bumps page?
Oh,
Yeah, on
this
the
is
bums
okay.
homepage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think maybe you just didn't uncomment something in the view.
Well,
Look at your view. Yeah, I think actually this is we should expect this to fail, I think. Where's your view?
I'm looking. I think I might
Yeah.
have to that. Views.
Views, yeah, okay.
Show.
And then
Show or
click event,
index.
show. Index. It'll be index.
Yeah.
Or well, okay, yeah, it'll be index. But are we getting there? Okay, this
Well, we
file.
think
Go to we were on show. We were on show. Yeah, I think that's the problem, not index. I'm sorry.
shouldn't the cucumber instruction be I should be on the bums homepage because that's what the web step is. Oh, not the web step. That is the bums homepage.
Oh,
So
okay.
we
So
could
let
just
me
change.
see that feature file again.
Yeah, hold on. Save. There we go.
Okay, so cancel event. I press
So we
cancel
already.
event. Then I should be on the events on the bums homepage. Yeah.
Yeah, that should fix it. Okay.
Okay, yeah. That makes sense.
No.
Well, that fix it.
Well, what the hell? then I should be, when I press cancel event, then I should be on the bumps homepage. So it went from,
Oh, I know
what?
what's that.
Oh, because probably our mapping doesn't include bumps. Go to paths.
No, the P was capitalized and page.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That'll do it.
See?
Mm.
No, we should flash. Oh, should flash event deleted, but we should change that also because we changed it
Then
to.
I should be.
This says we changed this message to like
Uh-huh.
the event title.
The name
deleted.
of the event, vegans only deleted. Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
you know, it might be better if you said event vegans only deleted. You know, I wonder if you should go back and actually change your controller to say that.
Dun, dun,
It would be more clear. So
So
right,
you're
yeah,
saying
yeah, event space, space, and copy that event space. Just copy it, event space, because you want to add that now to your RSpec test, your events controller RSpec, right?
not. I can close this. Sorry.
Oh yeah, yeah. Get rid of that.
And then put it here.
Yes, right between the colon and the, yeah. Okay, so that'll be event blah deleted. Save it, and you should, I'm sorry, run it one more time.
It's okay.
Oh
Wait,
joy.
so then this should be a lowercase. Should we fix the then I should see the event?
Then I should see, yeah, event vegans only deleted. Yeah, I mean, make it match. Then I should see.
Vegans. Only. And that's a lowercase.
Yeah,
Okay.
right, right.
Expected to find text event in all event title data more info. I have no idea what the heck that is.
I could help if I could only see it.
It really didn't use this.
I
It's
really
really bad.
dislike this this theme.
Oh, I could change the theme color. You're right. It's my theme color. Oh, sorry.
I think I use the Solarize or something. It's easy to see when you're connecting with others.
Yes. Oh, that didn't even freaking fix it. Okay, wait.
No, you actually have to change the theme. Syntax theme. Do the arrow. The arrow.
You're saying Solarize?
Yeah, keep on going down. Solarize light. Try it. I mean, you can always change it back, right?
Here we go.
Yeah. And now
Didn't
let's see
change.
what this looks like. Ah, it didn't change that. It
Yeah.
didn't change the terminal. Oh,
That's
how
stupid.
useless. How useless. Huh.
Okay,
So
that's great.
weird.
Why is this? Okay. Whatever.
Yes, like mine is totally different.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay,
Oh,
so
I think
I guess I'll try to read this. And if you help me, we'll get through it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it changed just your editor and not your. It must have been like just the editor part that you were changing.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I should see event vegans only deleted, and it said expected to find text event vegans only deleted in all events, event title date more info, blah blah blah, all this freaking crap.
Oh, it's trying to find this in the table.
Yeah, and instead of where it needs to find it. Yeah, that's not what we want. think what you have to do to see that. Yeah, it's interesting. I'm looking
I
at
think
some other stuff.
I think I know why. Like if you go to
Yeah.
views,
Mm-hmm.
uh, application.html, that part
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
under
Okay.
layouts.
Yeah. The flash happens there.
Yeah, you have to print out the flash there.
Yeah.
Like we are
So
missing that code.
yeah, I'm wondering if you need to actually, yeah, actually say something about it being there.
So I was thinking something. Uh,
Yeah.
Main,
This is irritating.
yeah,
You know, of course, the other aspect is we already
maybe
tested it in our
so-
spec.
something like
You know, is it something that we have to test here? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. No wonder I can't find it. Here we are. Yeah, you know, I noticed that in all the other scenarios that they gave us, I don't think they ever had us test the Flash in Cucumber.
yeah.
So
Which makes me wonder if it should even be part of your Cucumber test. Tested in our spec, so it's not like it wasn't tested.
should we cut like delete? Let's see what happens.
I'm sorry?
Should I comment it out and then we can see what happens?
Yeah, because I think that the only way to see it is to actually go to a different page, not to go where you're going. And that kind of adds a complexity that maybe we don't want to deal with.
Okay. Failing scenarios. Canceling an event. Oh, did I not?
Now
I
what
don't
is
think
it?
I saved it.
Oh, okay.
Um,
That would do it.
oh no, we passed. Never mind.
Yeah, we passed.
Okay, good.
So should I delete it out of the cucumber test?
Yeah, I would just delete it. And,
Nice.
you know, somewhere you could make a note that Flash is tested in our spec.
Okay. So we're done.
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
That's it.
Perfect.
Thank you so much, Rose.
Oh, no
Yeah.
problem. It was my
Thanks
pleasure.
a lot.
And I think it's more fun when you discuss it and, you know, like you're not like totally frustrated trying to figure out goofy little things.
Yeah.
You know, I mean,
Okay.
I remember when I was first doing this testing stuff, and I would make some little mistake like you did with putting a space in front of that one thing, right?
Right.
And it would take me a weekend to figure out that I had put a space in front. You know, I mean, it's like totally pointless.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I
So
do
just
git add. What should I say is my message?
Like delete feature added, something like that.
yeah. Or you could say delete feature added and test complete.
And then
Sounds official.
Git push username. Oh. Nice. Okay. Oh. Should I change this? Hold on. Then I should see.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just copy and paste our cucumber test, whatever it was supposed to be.
Yeah.
Done. Okay. Oh, I never started this. Is that okay?
What
Also,
is?
do I ask?
Oh my God, yeah, you got to start and finish it. And yeah, check off your tasks.
Oops. Okay. So then start, finish.
Yay.
Okay. And then what do I do?
That was
Then this, click your branch.
Nice.
Okay. View new pull request. I do that. New pull request.
Compare. Do you see the button compare and pull request? Do you see that button?
I see new pull request.
No, go to the right.
Oh,
Go to the
this.
right. That's better. Yeah.
Click this.
Compare and pull request. Yeah.
We're loading.
You click on it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And and then just let everyone know that it's ready to be reviewed. Ready for review.
And then I hit create pull request.
Yeah. That's it. You
Yeah.
guys are doing so well.
Oh, thank you.
No, seriously, believe me, you have no idea. You have no idea. You are doing so well.
Should we be concerned about these two?
No, not at all. Because
Okay.
it's telling you that you're doing it the safe way and that you cannot commit back to master without having a review of your teammates.
Okay, cool.
Right. And the thing is, like, you're doing this workflow where you have one repo, okay? Like if we go to your repo and we look at master, all the code in master should always be code that can be pushed directly to development. It should never be buggy code or development code or whatever. Master should always be pristine. And what you're doing, which again is the right way to do it, you're creating branches, and you're I don't know whether you're downloading the project to your workspace and then making a branch, or creating a branch in your repo and cloning that. It doesn't matter. Either way is fine. So that then when it's all working and you want to get it approved, you do the pull request and it's reviewed by, at some point, everyone in the team. All right. And then you can have it merged back into master. This is a slightly more risky way of working the workflow. If you're working, say, on an open source project that you don't own, what you would do is fork the repository, and then you would have your own version of master in your repo, and then you would create branches in your repo, et cetera, et cetera. And then when you're ready to contribute back to the master repository that you forked from, you would send them a pull request and they would review what you did and they'd pull it in, right? And that's considered to be a safer way, but there's a few more steps and it's a little more complicated, and everyone has to have their own repo. And in your case, I don't think that's necessary, because you guys are doing a good job. To be honest, I'm making the other section, I'm making them do the fork because I don't trust them. I cannot believe all this stuff that's been going on. They still don't have their first iteration done.
Ooh, what?
None of them. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and not that it's hard. They're making it like so ridiculously hard because they're not following any instructions, and they're doing everything I'm telling them not to do, and they're not doing everything I'm telling them to do. So, yeah. Like, what did you guys do to set up your database initially?
I'm not sure. Jordan and his team did that the first week.
Oh, okay. Because you guys should discuss and review all this stuff,
Yeah.
right? But I believe that they just ran the Rails generate model, and then the name of your event, Rails generate model events, and then the the attributes and their type, and that was that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you apply the migration, and voila, you've got a model that's set up, a model class that's set up automatically, and you have your schema set up automatically, right?
Yeah.
Well, they have been, yeah, I'm sure it's fine. Thanks. Sorry. Oh, thanks. Okay. Thanks a lot. Yeah, sorry about that. So I go to look at one of them, and they can't get their database to work, and they can't figure it out. Number one, they've got in their config directory, they've got a YAML file where part of it says that they're using SQLite, and the other part says that they're using MySQL. Why they even went in there? Why they even went in there? I don't know. They're going to use MySQL for production. And I'm like, no, I don't think you are. And I look at their database, and instead of having normal schema and migration files, etc., they've got like 20 YAML files that they have hand manipulated.
What the heck?
They've produced manually, all right, to create a database when, like, this is Rails, this is a framework. The framework does the work for you. Why are you doing, like, they have spent some ridiculous amount of time, hand manipulating all these files instead of 2 or 3 commands and doing it right. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And like their routes are like all these hand generated raw URL routes instead of the resources, the RESTful resources. So they've accomplished nothing. They've worked a ridiculous amount of hours to accomplish nothing. I am really tearing my hair out. And we have these hangouts, and I point out what they have to do, and then they go back to doing things the same stupid way. I'm flummoxed. I'm just flummoxed. And I've spent so much time the previous weeks and this week. This week has been ridiculous. And I'm sorry, I shouldn't be venting, but I'm just really frustrated. I am literally tearing my hair out. Not figuratively, literally.
Oh my God.
So anyway, you guys are doing wonderfully. Wow, I'm just really happy. You have no idea how happy.
Also, there's an issue. I just ran the app locally, and there is no flash message.
Oh, the flash isn't appearing. Oh, that's quite interesting. So who knows? Maybe the test was accurate. Okay, so can you share your screen and we'll look at that?
Yeah, sure.
I'll stop.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah.
So if I click on that, and when I cancel the event, there's no message.
Oh, the flash isn't showing up. Okay, well, let's see. Well, did you modify? Oh, maybe you didn't do this. Did you modify your applications?
No.
Is it yeah, I'm trying to think. What file is it that we have to modify?
I'm pretty sure it is this file, application.html here.
Okay. Yeah, because like there's actually a little template in the book for that. Maybe you just didn't remember to copy it over.
I think Tom already did that, but it is not updated in GitHub.
Oh, yeah, because probably it's in his branch, right?
Yeah, it is in his branch.
And they haven't merged it yet?
No.
Yeah, well, go ahead and just copy it and put it in
But
yours too. It's not
yeah,
going to
I did
hurt
that.
anything. Yeah.
I did that, but it is giving me an error.
What
I
error?
don't know. Uh, Something weird.
Okay. Style shade, link tab, application include, blah, 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 a flash notice. Oh, that's bizarre. Because it's not really giving you. Oh, okay. So it's printing out some like
Yeah, I think this.
craziness. What
I
if you?
think the entire.
What happens if you
If I
click
do,
the?
oh,
No, well, I was thinking of refreshing the page. I wanted to see what happened. That's very peculiar. Okay, so now it's saying.
now it's just.
Oh,
I
oh
just.
yeah, because you yeah.
Yeah,
You can do it on a separate terminal.
should I run it again? That's what it's
Well,
saying.
okay, so make it separate terminal. Make a separate terminal. To the yeah, go. You see the yeah, new terminal. Yeah, do it there. You can keep it up and running while you check things.
So that's error.
Can you refresh the page?
Yeah, the same thing.
Okay. So now the file that you were putting this in, I just to go back to your workspace.
Yeah.
So this was apps, views, layouts, application.html.haml.
It's
Apps,
app, views,
views,
layouts,
layouts, application.
application.
Okay, so it's the right file. It's the right
Yeah.
file. And let me see it again. No, I didn't mean that. I mean the code, the
I'm sorry.
application.html. Yeah, sorry. I'm just trying to uh, kind of proof it a little bit. Percent body. Yeah. If flash notice yield. Okay. Huh. What is the # main?
I don't know. I tried googling that, but I didn't get that. I don't know. Is it some HTML thing or Ruby?
Well, it's not Ruby.
Okay.
Because there's no dash or equal in front of it,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
# main. That's like a class name? Main?
I
Class name?
don't know.
I wonder if you should have that there. Can you try just getting rid of that line 11 and snugging in the other things? If flash notice.
Just line 11.
Yeah. I'm just not sure where that's coming from.
Uh,
Flash warning message equals flash warning yield. Yeah, then the indentation has to be corrected if you get rid of that. Can we try running it again? I'm just kind of curious what's going to happen.
Running, like
Or looking at the. Where do you have? Wait a minute. Where do you have the terminal that has the running application?
here,
Okay.
like
So it's
like
still
even
running. It's
but yeah, it is still running, but all the cucumbers like it's failing cucumber.
yeah. Well, I
So
should see all the events. Well, yeah, because yeah. Okay, go to. I just want to see if it. Yeah, click on that.
okay.
Okay, and it's still interesting. HTML head title button style sheet link tag application equals JavaScript include tag application equals. Yeah, I mean it's like instead of rendering it, it's just spitting out the text of the. Is that the
Right.
entire application.rb?
Yeah.
Huh. Very interesting. Percent. Wow. Okay, let's look at application again. Like, I don't know why it's doing that. Layouts, application.html. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, can you return it to what it was?
Yeah.
Well, this is very peculiar. And that's what it was.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. So this is written in HTML, not HAML?
Uh, that's
What? I don't understand
oh.
this.
So maybe I
This
should
is,
change to ham. I think it was initially written in HTML, and maybe he changed to
I
HAML.
don't know. But I mean, everything should be in HAML.
Oh, okay.
That makes no sense. Let me see your index and your show. All that is in HAML, right? Let me see it.
The other file, yeah.
No. I'm saying like your other views, your views. Can I see
Yeah,
them?
yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah. So that's your index page.
Is it because I didn't save it like application dot? Should I save it like that? Application dot haml dot html.
Well, certainly. I mean, it certainly can't be. It's not HTML, so it wouldn't work as HTML.
Ah,
Oh,
so
yeah. I mean, it would
I
have
should
to be
rename it.
application.html.haml, not
Ah,
ERB.
okay.
It's not ERB. I don't know. You want to save it and try it again? Yeah, let's just try it.
Yeah.
We could just refresh the page. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Is that the
Yeah.
currently running one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so it worked.
Yeah, it worked.
Yeah,
If I
okay.
do.
Okay, God, I was having heart
Okay.
failure.
Yeah, it works.
Okay,
Okay.
boy, that was
Yay.
another really weird problem. I didn't even see that it wasn't the right name.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay. All right.
Perfect.
Yeah, well, I'm thinking you're probably going to have to go back and
Do all my steps again.
redo your pull request thing. Also, it's curious. I'd be really interested to see would your cucumber test pass now,
Okay.
right?
Cucumber. Oh, like
It
if I put
might.
that line back.
Yeah, I'm just curious.
Well, I just ran cucumber again.
Well, yeah, but you didn't spell it right.
What?
So what did it
One
fail on?
failed?
Does it say? Expectation, and I should not see vegans only. Expected has no content to return true.
Oh, it's
Got
because we're
false.
Yeah. That's because I think I already deleted vegans only.
yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, but not see. Expected has no content. I should not see. And I should, yeah, I mean, that actually should work. It's a weird test, but it should work. 1 and 4. What did we do a P on? We're printing out 1 and 4. I'm trying to think. Did we get rid of that instrumentation previously?
I don't think so. Should I remove that?
Or is that? Oh, wait a minute. No, I think what it is it's RB colon 231 and RB colon 124. Okay,
Yeah.
web steps 124. So we could check web steps 124.
Okay.
124. 124. Then I should not see blah. Page respond. Yeah, it says I shouldn't see. Oh, I bet it is seeing your flash. You might have to do a different test. That you shouldn't see that within a certain part of the page. I bet if you add that previous test, that previous cucumber test, it's going to see it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why don't you add it real quick? I bet that's what it's doing. I bet it's picking up the flash. This is pretty interesting. See, I'm learning something too here.
Okay.
I know everyone's real excited that I'm learning something. Oh boy. So were you going to add that test back in?
Add what? What?
The cucumber. Remember
Yeah.
the part of the feature test that we deleted?
So we have to delete the entire thing?
No. There was a line that was deleted that said, then I should see, and it was the flash message.
Oh,
Isn't that what we're doing?
I thought we were changing the cucumber scenario. No?
Yes, the cucumber feature file that you're on right now. Add the line that was deleted before.
So what was the line? Like, I don't remember.
James, you remember how you put it?
It was like, then I should see event space vegan only deleted.
Yeah, okay. So is that message?
Yeah.
And it was between 21 and 22, right?
Yeah. And I should see event.
And then single quote,
Single quote.
vegans only.
Exclamation. Space.
Space, lowercase
Deleted.
d, deleted, yeah.
Yeah, actually, we could just look at the controller and make sure we have the right message.
And I should delete that?
No, not yet.
Oh,
Not yet.
oh, okay.
I think we're going to modify it, but let's see what this. If this passes, then we know why that's failing. Do you have a web step for this? Will it? Oh, you have you. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. Go ahead. Okay, and I should see event vegans only deleted. So it worked.
Yeah.
Okay, and I should not see vegans only. Well, that's because you see it is there, but it's there in the context of event
Right.
vegans only deleted.
Right.
Where can you show me the page, like as it's running, the running page?
Okay. Here.
Oh well, yeah. Okay, there. All events and. All right, so what you could say is that you wouldn't be seeing that event. You wouldn't see event title and then afterwards that event. You'll have to use a regular expression to find this. You want to go to web steps?
Yep.
Okay. I should see. I should not see. I'm looking for the thing that deals with page body.
Mm, okay. I don't know.
You can't find it? Look, just do a find on page_body and see if you can find it.
No. 0 matches. It says there's no page body.
Oh, really? Okay, so maybe
Yeah.
we have to add it in there. Okay. You can say, okay, go to features. Go to features. I can help you with this, definitely. All right, instead of saying, and I should not see vegans only, say that I should not see. I should not see. I'm sorry. What is the? Oh, okay, vegans only. Then put after. Space after.
That?
Yeah, and then what's your header there? Event title or something? What is the exact header in your
Name
in your
or event title.
event title? Event title. Okay, I should not see blah 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 after event title. Yeah. Okay. So save that. And we're going to have to add a step definition.
Okay.
Go to event steps.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. And so you have, I should see all the events. By the way, I see this test here. I should see all the events, expect page to have selector, blah, 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 blah.
Mhm.
I prefer that the test, now this isn't your test, but just you can bring this up at some point. I prefer that the test be based more on something that the customer is going to be able to like just see right in front of them. That, you know, they should see the following events or whatever, not just that we're going to count them or something.
Mhm.
But that's neither here nor there. So I think we have, I'm trying to think, it was one of the homeworks, but we had a step that's similar. Start a new step, like
Okay.
on line 38, once you make a new line.
Okay.
And copy over that expression from the feature file.
The
Then I
feature.
should, yeah, you
Oh.
don't
Yeah.
don't do anything with that. Don't do
Alright.
anything with that. Yeah, go to your feature file. Okay. I should not see V. Yeah, copy that.
Mhm.
And then 39. Then / I should not see vegans only after event title. Go to the end. You know, set it up. Set it up. Yeah. Do. Yeah. Might as well stick an end so we don't forget. End.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. So now we'll fill in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. So you could use the page body here with a regular expression to easily do this. And so here, do you remember what page body is?
Not really.
Okay, so page body is the entire web page produced as a string. Okay,
Okay.
so you can say expect,
Mhm.
and then in parentheses, you're going to say
Page.
page dot, no, backspace, page dot, no,
Expect page.
parentheses, page dot, yeah. Body. Yeah, and you might want to get rid of that extra space in front of expect. Yeah, expect page body to.
Is it outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Two.
a method. It's a method that you're going to chain.
Right.
So how do you chain it? It's not space to. What is it below?
Dot two.
Yeah, good. 2. And now we're going to say match, right?
Okay.
And in parentheses, we're going to create a regular expression.
Mhm.
So how do you set apart the regular expression? You have to put it inside of what pair?
Like
Key value.
No,
Yeah.
not regular expression. Regular expressions use the // right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we're going to put a regular expression in there. And
Mhm.
now the page body, it produces the page as a big string.
Mhm.
And if it's one big string, is it going to be all the characters on one line, or is it going to be all the characters on all of the lines in the page?
I don't know.
I mean, does page body describe one line or many lines?
Uh,
Well, when you look at the page, okay, when you look at the page, you see one line or
The
you see many lines?
many lines.
Many lines, okay.
Yeah.
Now, do you remember the switch in regular expressions that you have to use when you're looking at something over many lines? And it's after the last forward slash, before the paren. So move your cursor one character over.
Mm-hmm.
In front of the paren. Yeah, okay. Now remember, there's a switch I that means ignore case. All right, there's several switches. Do you remember what the switch for many lines is?
I don't remember.
It's an M. M for many.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's a way to remember it.
Okay.
So type M.
Yeah.
So what we're saying is we're going to look at the entire page body, and we realize that the page body consists of many lines.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And that's not going to disturb us. We're not going to stop at the end of a line. We're going to just keep going for the
Right.
whole thing.
Right.
Right? And now inside the regular expression borders there, the forward slashes, what would we need to see?
All other titles except vegans only.
Okay, actually, I'm going to have you modify your top line a little bit. So we're saying I should see something before something, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well, why don't we make it so that it's generic, and therefore we can put parentheses inside those two quotes there, vegans only. We're going to replace vegans only with an expression.
Right.
Okay, now, but don't include the quote. No, don't erase the quotes.
Okay.
Yeah, just erase. Okay, and then put a capture group. Parens. Left paren, right paren? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Right paren, yeah. And now I should not see something, and we're going to capture the event title. So we can use the brackets,
Mm-hmm.
square brackets. And what don't we want to include in what we're capturing?
What don't we want to include? Spaces?
No, we want to
No, we do
include.
want to include this.
Yeah. We start with a double quote and we end with a double quote. So in the middle, what don't we want to have? Not. We did this earlier.
Oh, a carrot and
Yeah.
what was the other thing?
Yeah. I just lost.
Well, how are we delimiting this? We wouldn't want to see a delimiter inside of what we're capturing, right? And what is our delimiter? We're saying I want everything after the first double quote.
Mm-hmm.
And before what?
And before the last double quote, right?
Okay, so are we going to include double quotes?
No.
There you go. So not.
Where should I not?
Type a double quote.
Hello?
Yeah, type a double quote.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're not going to include double quotes, and we're going to include as many of these characters as we can find that are not double quotes. So how do we show repetition outside of those brackets and inside the parentheses?
Could you repeat that? Sorry.
Okay. Do we want just one character that's not a quote? Is that all we want to capture? One character?
No, we want two characters. That's not a quote, right?
No. Do we know necessarily how many characters are in between the quotes?
Oh, that's what you were asking. I thought you were asking how many quotes do we want to capture?
No. Yeah, no.
Well,
How
we
many
don't
characters?
know.
Yeah, which means we want to, repeat this as long as we've got something that's not a quote, right? So how do we show repetition?
Star.
Yeah, but where did we put it? That cursor is just clicking there, and it's not in the right place.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Do you see why? You want to capture as many characters, 0 or more characters, that are inside the double quotes. Is that right?
Yes.
So you're going to capture as many characters that are not double quotes.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so everyone sees that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I should not see blah after, and we have event title in double quotes, right?
Yeah.
So are we going to pretty much do the same thing? Yeah. Okay. So now we have captured two things. Let's use those two things in our block. So we have a do, and then what do we put after the do? Look at line 25. That's got two things in a captured using a block too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the first thing that we captured?
Let's see. Like event.
Yeah, event or event name.
Yeah.
Yeah, use snake case.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, comma. And then after event header or something like that, right? Yeah. Okay. And so we're going to expect page body to match what? We want to see, let me see, expect, I should not see blah after blah. Expect, we should say that it should not match. Well, let's formulate the match, and then we could do the not.
Okay.
So if we were looking for it to match, how would we express our regular expression? We would want to see, in this whole string, we'd want to see the event header, right?
Uh-huh.
And then afterwards, we would want to see the event name. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so how would you formulate a regular expression inside the delimiters there that would do that? And it's actually pretty easy.
Can you repeat that?
All right, so we have to create a regular expression.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to do this in the positive sense first and then turn it around.
Okay.
Okay, so normally what we would expect to see is the event header on the page, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then somewhere later on in the page, we would see our event name. Is that right?
Right.
Okay. Now, don't worry about the fact that we're going to, turn this around, but let's create the regular expression for seeing that. So if you wanted to see that, it would be expect page body to match what regular expression? What would be true if that were the case? Those items were in the page body in that order.
I have no idea, to be completely honest.
Yeah.
Well, okay, but I mean, for instance, here above, you see that you created a regular expression that would capture anything in quotes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what are the various special characters you could use in a regular expression to say, you know, match all of these, any of these characters, because I don't care about them, as many as there are, and then match my event header, and then match 0 or more characters, I don't care what they are, and then match event name. Does that make more sense to you?
Yes.
Yeah, that makes sense, but
Yeah.
I just don't know. I'm so bad at regular expressions.
Me too.
Well, go to, I mean, you know, the thing is, if you're bad at them, you have to practice them. It's not really that hard once you get used to it. But you should go to the little table in chapter 3, figure 3.2. That might help. Figure 3.2.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you imagine the page body, right, it's just a big string. Where are you going to find the event header?
Like in between.
Is it going to be the very first thing you see, or are there other things? Are there
There-
other things in front of it?
There are
Do you
other,
care about those other things?
we don't care about other things.
Okay, so what character can you use that will match any character?
Star.
Not star. Star's repetition, but you're kind of thinking along the right path.
Okay.
And now remember, this is going to be in between the double forward slashes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so look at the chart, and what character is used to match any character? You don't care.
Dot.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
How many characters do we want to discard? Do we know?
We don't know. So star.
Are there probably 0 or more, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. But then eventually we want to match what?
Yeah. So. But this should be.
Yeah, event header, right?
Yeah.
So we need to, and because it's a variable, we want to get the value of it. So again, yeah, you know how to do that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what do you put in front of it?
Huh?
Yes. Oh, no, not there though.
Here.
Where do you put? Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is saying, you know, I don't care whatever characters are in front of it, but I expect somewhere on that page I'm going to see the event header. Is that right?
Right.
And then after the event header and before the event name, what should I see?
Anything?
We don't care. We don't
We don't
care.
care.
Yeah. We don't care. And then what's the next thing?
Is a name?
Yeah.
And we don't care about the rest.
Yeah, we don't care about the rest.
Is that it?
Okay, so now the only thing we have to do is that would be if we expected to find the event name followed with the event header followed with the event name somewhere on the page. We're expecting that we're not going to find it, right?
Yeah.
And by the way, you have expect space. Can you get rid of that space?
Okay.
Yeah. And so now I'm trying to think of what's the opposite of match? Yeah, maybe it's just not match. I'm pulling out my Ruby book. Because I usually don't try to, not match something. But do you see why this would work?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it point tilde for not match?
Well, I know that if you're using the twiddle regular expression,
Yeah.
instead of the match word, the twiddle, that would be the negation of it. I'm not sure if we need to use the name of the method, or we can use, like not twiddle, or whatever that is.
So
The negation.
why can we use event name here and then the event header?
Why can we use event name and event header?
Yeah, I mean,
Well, we
up here,
captured them, didn't we?
like I was saying,
I'm
like up
sorry?
here, can I say event name and then event header? Then that should be true, right?
No, because what we're not gonna find event name after event header at all.
Oh yeah, okay, okay.
Do you see what I'm saying? So
Stack
we're
Overflow
expecting,
said
yeah, that might
point
say something.
twiddle for
Not
match.
match. Yeah. What the hell is match? Oh, match 97662. 97662. Okay. Match. This current. Match. I mean, I suppose we could just put parentheses around the whole thing and say not. I don't know, something like that. Quote, try convert, union. That's in, okay, so here's match. Matches. Blah, twiddle. Blah. Then I don't see, that's interesting. Huh. To S. Hmm. Hmm. I think it's something like this, but I don't know. Not quite. 97. 97. You know, we could, I kind of, maybe I know a better way. Let's see. Matching against patterns. Match name. I'm wondering if we should do this in 2 steps. Because I don't know that I've ever had to mess around with this exact way of doing it. Maybe what we should do is just try to match event header. So instead of the expect, actually try to get the index of event header. So you can do a, what is it, page body? No, I'm saying don't discard that line. Do a line in front of it.
Can you say that again?
I think we have to.
Breaking off.
Okay, make a new line between 39 and 40.
Okay.
Yeah, and then try to get the index of event header in page body. So if you do a, you could say something like index is assigned the value of, I think this will work. Page, let me see. Okay, page body.
Page
Body.
body.
Dot match.
Dot match.
And then put event header. But make it, make it a string. Like get the value.
Like, but even header is the variable, right?
Yeah, I'm saying, use the pound sign, use string interpolation.
Like this?
Yeah. You want it to match that string.
Okay.
Okay. And you can put that in parentheses, match paren. Yeah, get rid of the space. Okay. Can you, after that, put p index?
Like next line?
Yeah.
P index?
Index, yeah. That's it. Okay. I want to see if this will work. And you can comment out 42 for now. Okay, p index body match. And it's saved?
Yeah.
Okay. And I want to see what the index is.
This throwing an error. Syntax error.
Crap. Expecting a paren?
43. Yeah.
Huh. Ay, ay, ay.
Should this be in quotes, right? Like.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. God, I'm seeing them and they're not there. Amazing. Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad you caught that. I need my straight edge. All right.
Yeah, it passed.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it passed, but we haven't finished our test. We need to look at the index. Is that 106 or match data event title? Oh, crap. I should see match data event type. Why is it giving me this? It should give me an index. Page body match.
This should be
Why
event
is it giving me
event
What?
name,
what?
right? Or they should be event name, right? Or
No, I'm looking to match the header.
oh yeah.
Crap. So page body is a string. Okay, so maybe I'm doing the string match wrong. Let me try it again. 681. 681. Right now we're just looking at the string. 681. Oh, maybe I should just get index. Yeah, why even use match? It'd be much easier. Returns the index of the first. Yeah, okay. So page body index, and then, yeah, I'm being an idiot here. So instead of match, just page body index. Line 40. Line 40?
Page body index.
It says page body match. I'm saying change it to page
Yeah.
body index. Index. And then let's look at it.
Tom, you there?
Hello? Maybe he had to run off for a second.
Maybe eventsteps.rb.
I think maybe he was having some problems with his.
I'm back. There was some issue with my connection.
Yeah, sorry. Can you bring up the code?
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, you might be able to make this pretty easy. So the mistake I made was reusing match instead of realizing I'm looking for an index. Let's just say page body index instead of page body match.
Okay.
So we want to find the index of where the event header is in the page body. Yeah, that's it. Can you run it now and let's see what the value of index is? I just want to be sure that, like do a sanity check. We should certainly get back an index. It should never be nil. I think that's it. 484. It's telling us that that's the index of it and that makes a lot of sense. Okay. So we could say expect we could reuse a step from web steps, and I should not see something, I think.
Okay.
So where's the web step that says, and I should not see? Then I should not see. Then I should see. Then I should not see. Page respond to. Then I should not see blah. Oh, but that's still looking at the whole. Yeah, I guess we'll still have to. Oh, well, then I should not see regular expression. Yeah, that's still not going to work because it's looking at the entire page. So we'll have to construct our own.
Okay.
All right. So, so we expect. Basically, what we want to say is that if we create a substring of page body, in other words, whatchamacallit, page body colon something colon a slice. Is that it? A slice? Is that right? Of a string.
I'm just lost. Can I say that again?
Okay. So we don't want to look at the entire page body, right? We want to look at anything after event header. If we look before event header, we'll see this. We'll see that in the flash, right?
Right.
Okay, so we want to look at everything after the event header. Oh no!
What?
Are you there? Oh no, my for a second I thought my whole system crashed.
Oh.
It was just my monitor misbehaving.
Okay.
Okay. So if you only want to look at a portion of a string, what's one way to grab a portion of it? These are strings. You know, this is like from Python. What do we do in Python?
You do string, bracket, whatever you want.
Yeah, okay. So let's see, element reference. Is it instead of a colon, is it a dot dot? I think it's a dot dot in Ruby. So we want to grab index equals page body index blah blah blah. And then we could say that the part we want to examine is equal to the slice of page body starting at index, right? Wow, there's a lot in strings. Can you look up slice in Ruby?
Yeah. Wait. String. You just do. You do the string, open square bracket, and then if I did. Is there 1, 2, 3? That's weird.
Sorry?
You could do 2,3 or 2,3. Like from where you start includes the start one. And then you do dot dot the last index. And that.
Does it say how to signify? I suppose you could say dot dot -1, like to the last, or
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. How would you do that?
What are we trying to do?
Create a slice of this or a substring of the string, right?
Yeah. But from where to where?
Well, from index to the
39,
end.
wherever.
Yeah, whatever the
Tom's
index
gone.
was.
Tom's gone.
Yeah.
Tragic.
Yeah, I think his system is not behaving.
Yeah. I'll screen share.
Yay.
Screen share.
Okay, an array can be created.
I'm seeing this. We have the string hello there.
Yeah.
All this to it.
Now, what I want to see is the first one, and then like from the first element that you, the first index you give over. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not seeing that, which is pretty damn annoying. So up to -2. Up to -2. Yeah. Well, I wonder if, okay, what, 12 up to -1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, of course, that's not going to work. God, you know, it'd be nice if they had better examples.
True.
Crap. I'm trying to think if, you know, how can you, other than trying to find the length of the whole thing and all that, how would you designate, you know, from that index to the end?
When you don't know the length of the whole string, is that what you're saying?
Well, without having to get the length of the whole string, which should, you know, it's kind of tedious. I mean, there should be a way to do that.
Oh, I'm back.
Oh yeah, how's everything going?
Yeah, the connection sucks.
Yeah. I found I just found a Stack Overflow.
Okay.
Just wondering if there's a Ruby idiom for extracting a substring from an index to the end of the string.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
I have a question.
Yeah.
For the cucumber scenario, can we break it into two scenarios? Like one is to show that the flash message occurs, and the second one to show that we redirects to the home page and that movie doesn't exist there.
Oh, okay. Can you run this by me again? I'm not quite sure I'm understanding what you said.
Like right now we just have a one cucumber scenario, right?
Well, yeah.
So I was
for
thinking,
now.
so I was thinking, can we break it into two scenarios? One is to show one is to test just the flash message, and the second one to show that movie doesn't exist. Like
to show what? The other to show, like you were breaking up just a little bit. I couldn't hear you. That's all.
Yeah, let the first scenario just test whether the flash message is there or not. And we don't check and we shouldn't check where that the even.
Well, no, you don't. You don't need that, because I mean it's all part and parcel of the same. It's all part and parcel of the same scenario. I mean, in the future, we were talking. I was talking with some other teammates about making a different scenario, which would be if we change the delete to have the option that you can back out of it, right? And then there would be a dialog box, and you would check that. But there's no purpose in doing this, because this is all. It's not a different scenario. It's the same scenario.
Okay, get it.
All right. Okay, so I guess I mean it's clumsy, but we could just say, oh, I don't know. Where's the thing again?
The what?
The controller spec we were working on.
Oh.
So I guess the safest way. No, this is the RSpec. I'm sorry, it's the cucumber. Oh, this the step definition. I'm an idiot.
The web step?
Yeah, no, the event steps.
Where are steps again? Real quick.
So it's up here. We have web steps and no, maybe we don't. Okay, it's in features.
Yeah.
Features.
Under step definitions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and we were working on event steps.
Index equals page body index.
Oh, well, that's an array. Oh, geez, no wonder I'm not getting what I want here.
We just don't want to see like any. We don't want to see the event name after the event header index.
Yeah, because that means it's not there, and that means I should not see it, right?
Okay, so Ruby string to end to infinity. Perfect. Let me just do a blank to -1.
I don't think
Like
so,
a
because
binder.
because remember the second thing has to be up to but not including, and we want the last character to be included.
I think -1 includes the.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying when when you have a slice, you have the first index, and then up to but not including the last index. So I don't know how you can use -1 because you want to include it. You can't go beyond it.
Oh, you're saying you just want.
But there's an easy way to do it. It's just clumsy.
Like,
So go to, where is it? Okay. So we can say, well, why don't we just capture it? We can say search string. Why don't we just create a search string? Search string. Yeah, we'll use snake case. Yeah, for Ruby. Search string is assigned the value of page body, page body, and then use the square brackets, index, and then I guess dot, and then you would have to say page body dot length or size or one of those stupid methods. I believe you can use either one for a string.
what'd you say?
I think it's either one. String, length or size. I think they both work. I can look it up real quick. String. String.
Yes, yeah, that's dot length. Okay.
String. Yeah, size. It's a synonym for length. You can use either one. Yeah.
Okay. It's there.
It is. It really is.
So run cucumber. Where's my job?
Well, I actually do a P search string because before we do anything else, we need to see what that search string looks like.
Run cucumber, right?
Yeah, yeah. And then we should see a pile of crap. Okay. Yeah, so we got, do you see this? We've got the whole page starting from event title, right? So this is the string we want to search for vegans only after we've deleted it, right? Okay. And then I should see event vegans only deleted, and that would be the flash message. And then I should not see vegans only after event title. So we can, actually, I think we can just use string manipulation. Expect search string, you know, like not to contain or whatever event name, right? So now, you know, we can do it, I think, pretty simply. Split. So let me look at what capitalize chars clear chop compare count delete. Oh, maybe it's include. I think it's include. Jeez. Include. Okay. Yeah, so it would be the search string not to include, expect search string not to include the name.
Not to, you said? Not to include?
I think not underscore to is also a verb. If I remember my cucumber correctly. Let me see, where's my cucumber book? But I think that's valid.
There's a has no content matcher in capybara, but if this is out, that's fine. Oh, we just want event name for this?
Yeah.
So I can delete event header, right?
No, we used event header up in the top, right?
Yeah.
We got the index.
Ah.
For that.
So run cucumber?
Yeah, I still might have a syntax error there, but that's, the logic is good. Not quite sure of the syntax yet.
Undefined method not to.
Okay, well, there we go. To equal. Maybe it's not to equal. Or no, it's got to be, yeah, I've got to use include. I know. Oh, I know what to do. Can I see it again?
Mm-hmm.
There's probably a way of doing this more directly, but I know this will work. So expect search string include. Oh, and include has a question mark after it. Yeah, get rid of the not to. I might be thinking of RSpec anyway. Yeah, get rid of the not to and the paren there. Get rid of the search string dot include.
Oop, there we go.
Okay, expect search string. No, get rid of the parentheses. That right paren. Dot include. Search string dot include. Expect search string dot include blah 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 blah. Let me see. And then the oh, where did I see this? I don't know. We could say, I think, to be falsy. 158. Yeah, I don't know why I'm having so much trouble finding negative things today. It's so weird. Expect search string include blah 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 blah. I think it's no. It's all. That's a method.
To be false.
I think so. Well, let me just check the syntax again. 87. Shit. Context.
It said no implicit conversion of regex. Type error.
Well, that's weird. That's very weird. I had it on the page, and then all right, oh, no, to be falsy. No, that's not what I said.
What's falsy?
It means, like either false or nil or null or blah, 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 but not to be truthy.
Oh, is this how do you spell falsy? F-A-L-S-E-Y?
It's capital F-A-L-S-Y. 58. Dot to be falsy. Yeah. There is a not method, but I'm trying to see it in context. No, not 40. 157. Oh. Okay. I just found out how to. After all this, I just found out how to negate a matcher. This is hilarious. No, it's not an argument. It's a method. To be falsy is a method. You have falsy as an argument. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I'm trying to look at this book and look at the screen at the same time. I'm not doing a good job.
It's okay.
I am being a lousy navigator. Oh, now what is it saying?
Same thing.
Yeah, which is what? No implicit conversion of regex into string. And what line is it giving you? Event steps include 43. I thought we got rid of the regular expression. I should see. Okay, so then I should not see blah after blah, do event, name event. Okay, so then index equals 43. Okay, so it's yeah, it is explaining about expect. Now expect everything should be in expect left paren.
Expect.
Yeah, left paren. Oh, I see. And then a right paren at the end of that argument. Yeah, I see. We still have the old regular expression embedded in there. No, not there. Not there. No, after that M. Do you see?
Oh, here?
After the argument. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And I see what's wrong here because we should say expect search string include. And I think we just have to say event name. Yeah, because we're no longer using a regular expression. We're just using string, a string method. So get rid of all that stuff. It should just say event name. Yeah, no regular expression stuff.
So none of this.
Yeah, none of it.
This.
None of it. There you go. Okay. Yeah, save it.
Let's hope for the best.
I'm crossing my fingers.
Nope. And method to be false here.
What? Expect. And can you get rid of the space after expect?
Yeah.
Expect. Include. Well, how about just equal false? I don't know. I mean, at this point. So include returns true or false, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. God, where is my cucumber book? Damn it.
Mm-hmm. Uninitialized constant. Constant
What?
false. What are you talking about?
Oh my God.
I think your to be faulty didn't have the parentheses. Like if you
Yeah.
go back.
But wait a minute. You've got a parentheses on the right there that doesn't belong there. The expect blah 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 is all one expression.
So, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, it should. Oh, and false is it's not a capital F in Ruby. It's not a capital F.
Oh, my goodness. We passed.
Oh my God! Thank goodness.
Right.
Wow.
I think there's probably better ways of doing it, but you know,
We're leaving.
I'll take it. There it
Thank you
is.
so much.
At least it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
All right,
Right.
so now I have to do all that stuff again.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry,
No, it's not your fault.
Yeah.
but
I'm glad you've been
I'm sorry.
on for 4 hours with us.
Oh, this is nothing. You know, I think I told you the fourth week of class, I got 8 new students in my other section.
Oh no!
Wow.
Oh my God!
I didn't tell you that. Oh, it's just been
No.
unbelievable. So in 4 weeks we went through 8 weeks of class with these 8 students. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And so I have been on these meetings just hour after hour every single day to get them caught up. And like, for instance, when we worked on the first Ruby homework, do you remember the first Ruby homework?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to do it?
Like literally an hour. Not
Yeah.
even.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 hour.
6 hours.
Wow.
6 hours. Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
So
do I just do git checkout, like do all this again?
yeah, well,
No,
don't
just-
forget, you have to commit all your changes, right?
Oh,
You
so I
did
do
that?
get add, get commit.
Yeah, you have to do all that.
Add. Okay. Get add this. Get. Hold on, it's fine. Get commit. I forget.
I wonder if you can delete your previous. Can you delete your previous pull request? Is that doable?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, why don't you do that? And then you'll only have to deal with one pull request.
Where's the delete button? Does anyone see
I
it?
don't know.
Mark as open, close, label, assign. I don't know if you could delete it.
Yeah, I don't know either. Might have to look this one up.
Delete pull request, get. Under your repository. Oh, you can hit close pull request. Okay. I can is that really deleting it? Oh, closing a pull request.
How to cancel a pull request on GitHub. All right, so let me see this.
Oh, optionally delete the branch. Should I do that?
No, don't delete the branch. How can a pull request on GitHub be canceled? Visit the pull request page and just tap the close pull request button. Really? No, that's what people are saying.
Close it. Okay.
Yeah.
Close. Great.
Yeah. Okay. So close. Yeah, close with unmerged commits. That's what we want, and then just create a new pull request, and label that some of the tests were passing deceptively.
Okay, so I did get add, get commit, your message. What's my message? Again, I already forgot. Delete event. Delete event.
I mean, add a delete feature, maybe something like that. Oh, it doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't matter.
Too late.
What are you talking about? The
complete.
pull request or the commit? Oh yeah, I mean whatever, correct or whatever.
Okay, and now here, click branches. Oh, updated 25 seconds ago. Oh.
Your branch, delete an event. That's good.
These are the same.
And new, yeah, and then you're going to make a new pull. Well, click on that. Click on delete event.
Delete event. Aren't these the same thing? Active
Yeah,
branches.
Yeah, I don't see the compare and create pull event. That's odd. But whatever.
Delete event.
Yeah, well, you're gonna make a new pull request.
Oh, where's my little guy? New pull request. Some tests were passing. This set. Oh, that was close.
And just say, so we closed the previous pull request without merging and created a new one.
Pull request? Sure. Okay. Okay, and that's it.
Okay.
Looks good.
Okay.
Perfect. Do we have to change anything on Pivotal Tracker now?
I don't know. We should check it.
Did we change our user story? We did.
Mm-hmm.
Over here.
Here it is. Is this it? Yeah.
Okay, so that's fine.
So you just want to modify the test steps there. Then I should be on the BUMS homepage, and I should see event vegans only delete. Yeah, just copy and paste that.
Yeah.
The last two lines. Just copy and paste the last two lines. Not here, from the other one.
I am copying and pasting, but it's just not working. Anyway.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
Edit, copy, come on, the guy.
Really? Really? So just change the last line. Last line. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Done. We did all this. Great.
Yay.
Perfect.
Yay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rose.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome. No problem.
Have a great rest of your weekend.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you too.
thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks a
for
lot,
finishing this.
Professor.
Oh, thank you for getting it done. I have one less thing for me to worry about. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.